Hello viewers, this is Page Betan TV. Welcome. It's another beautiful day that we are going to discuss about live streaming. Yes, maybe some of you have never been on live stream. You've been admiring and watching other people going on live stream. You would like to know how they do it. I have some information for you, tips and tricks on how to go about it. I've also been not doing it for so long, so I'm sharing out of my experience as well. All right, now, why do live stream anyway? Live stream is very important for a content creator, especially young YouTubers. This is the reason it allows you to reach big audience, a lot of people across the world, and you are able to grow your channel. So it is very important periodically do a live stream show. So that's why I'm having this discussion for you to know the tricks and things you're supposed to do before you start on going onto your live stream. So work with me as I'm going to run them through. It's just a few. There are a lot of things you're supposed to consider, but I've just selected a few that worked for me. All right, now, first of all, before you go on your live stream, you need to plan. You need to know the best time for your audience. Yes, set a time and know it's the perfect time for your audience so that you can at least target a lot of people to come through for your. The second important point, prepare your thumbnail and the title. Make sure it is eye-catching and something interactive with your audience, something anybody new would like to click on your channel and actually want to listen to what's going on. So that is very important to prepare the title and the thumbnail for your upcoming live stream. You have to prepare this before. And once you prepare, make sure you market it on social media. Let people know you'll be going live. By doing this, you'll be encouraging a lot of people to come and watch you during this time, because it's very important. We know on YouTube, watch time and views is very important. It counts a lot. It's good for your analytics. So if you involve a lot of people to come through, if you market your live streaming, upcoming live stream, it will go a long way for you, and this is an advantage. Now, again, the other most important thing, once you prepare your thumbnail and you plan your time, you have to be confident. No, you are going to be the one controlling these people, and you might be overwhelmed, because when you go on live stream, it's not only the people who are subscribed to you that tend to come to your show. You get to have new people, so you have to acknowledge these people and appreciate them for being there. So you'll be the one sailing this boat. You have to acknowledge, know how to engage your audience for everybody to feel welcome and to feel comfortable. And actually, they can join you from there onwards, or they can regularly come and check on you when you're doing your live stream. So that is very important. Acknowledge, appreciate your audience, and you might have new audience. So you have to know how to acknowledge them and let them feel welcome and to enjoy the show that you're running. Another important thing is just check your audios and your lighting. Make sure it's all good, and make your setup very simple. Do not complicate things. Make it very simple when you're going on your first live. Let people not get distracted by what they are seeing. Let them focus on you. Another one thing I want to mention, very important, where I was doing something wrong. When you are going on live stream, make sure you are looking at the lens. Don't look at the screen of whatever you're recording with, whether you're using a camera or you're using a smartphone. Look at where the lens is. Do not look at yourself in the screen. That is one mistake that people do. You need to look at the lens. Okay, yeah, that is very important, so that you can have an eye contact with your audience. That is very important. Also, yeah, and also be consistent. If you choose to be doing some live stream, let your audience know when you always do it. If you plan once a week or twice a week, have a schedule so that your audience can always be prepared to come and join you for the live streaming. All right, now what's left? And also, very important as well, the topic that you are going to choose, make it interesting for the audience. Make it interactive in a way that you can ask questions and get answered in the live chat, whenever you're going to live stream. There's a pop-up window that comes through for the live chat. You can have an engagement between your audience and yourself. So you can even ask open questions, involve your audience, hear from them, get feedback from them. This is so important. It's going to help you. And also, what else did I wanted to mention? I think that's it for today. So if you are planning to go on your first live stream, follow this point. It's going to work magic for you. It worked for me, helped me. I've been doing this now for the past 4 to 5 times I've done live stream. And also, if you are hesitant, just go ahead and start. It's never a perfect time to do something. Go ahead and get started. First step, it makes a big difference. If you just try it once, you always want to do it, and you gain confidence the more you are doing it. So do not feel pressured. Plan yourself, have all these things set ready for you, then you can just get started. And I wish you all the very best if you are doing it for the first time. Thank you for watching. See you next time. If you're new on this channel, kindly subscribe. If you've been following me, I'm so grateful. See you next time with another powerful, great video. Thank you so much.